New NotebookLM update is insane. Google just merged NotebookLM and Gemini into one AI brain. This changes everything. It's the biggest AI update nobody's talking about. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to work smarter and grow faster. Stay with me because this gets wild. Okay, let's get into it. Here's the problem with AI tools right now. You research in one place, you write in another. You switch tabs, lose your train of thought, and start over. Every session resets to zero. No memory, no context. Just you, copy-pasting between tools like it's 2009. You find something useful. You paste it into Gemini. It helps you write something good. Then tomorrow you come back and it has absolutely no idea who you are or what you were working on. So you paste everything in again and again, every single day, repeating yourself to a tool that keeps forgetting you exist. That's the broken part of AI right now. Most people have just accepted it as normal. They think that's just how it works. They've built their whole workflow around a limitation that shouldn't exist. That's about to change. Google just merged NotebookLM and Gemini into one connected system. Not a small update, not a new button, a full merge. Your research brain and your AI chat tool are now one thing. And once you understand what that actually means, you're not going to want to go back. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian reads every single comment, so drop something below and let him know you were here. Let me break this down simply because it's easier than it sounds. NotebookLM already let you upload PDFs, documents, links, and notes. It would read all of it and answer questions based on your actual sources, not the internet, your material, your documents, your research. That was already powerful on its own. Gemini is Google's main AI chat tool. Smart, fast, great for thinking through ideas, writing content, and planning strategies. Before this update, these two had nothing to do with each other. You'd research in NotebookLM, then go to Gemini and start from a completely blank slate. Gemini had no idea what you'd been working on, no idea what you'd uploaded, no idea what you knew. You had to explain everything from the beginning every single time. Now they're connected. You can access all your NotebookLM notebooks directly inside Gemini, and you can save Gemini chats back into NotebookLM as sources. It works both ways. It's a loop. It feeds itself. Every output becomes a new input. Every answer you get makes the next answer smarter. The system compounds the more you use it. That's a completely different game from anything else out there right now. And most people have no idea this just happened. Let me show you exactly how this works in the real world. I'm going to use the AI Profit Boardroom as the example because it makes the most sense for what we do. The AI Profit Boardroom is the community we run for people who want to learn real AI automation that actually helps grow a business. Step 1. You create a notebook in NotebookLM. You upload everything into it. Your content strategy, your audience research, notes from member conversations, competitor research, past content ideas. Everything you've been working on goes in one place. Step 2. You open Gemini. And now you can talk to it using your entire notebook as the context. So instead of starting blank, Gemini already knows your material. You can ask something like this. Summarize my AI Profit Boardroom content strategy and tell me the biggest gaps we haven't covered yet. Gemini reads your actual notebook and gives you a grounded, specific answer, not a generic answer it pulled from thin air. An answer built on your real research and your real content. Step 3. You take that Gemini output and save it back into NotebookLM as a new source. Now your notebook just got smarter. The next time you ask a question, it uses that new material too. And the time after that, and the time after that. That's the loop. That's what makes this different. Every input makes the system smarter. It compounds over time. And the longer you use it, the more it starts to feel like working with something that actually knows your business. Here are real prompts you can use right now to put this into action for growing the AI Profit Boardroom. Prompt 1. Drop your community content calendar into a notebook and ask Gemini, which topics in my AI Profit Boardroom content plan are most likely to attract people who want to learn AI automation and grow their business? Prompt 2. Add your best performing posts and emails into a notebook and ask, what patterns do you see in this content and how can I do more of what's already working to grow the AI Profit Boardroom? Prompt 3. Upload notes from your member conversations and community discussions, then ask, what are the top 5 problems AI Profit Boardroom members keep running into and what content would solve each one? Prompt 4. Add your onboarding materials and ask, rewrite this so a complete beginner can understand the value of AI automation in under 2 minutes and want to join the AI Profit Boardroom immediately. Prompt 5. Upload your last 10 pieces of content and ask, based on this, what's missing from my content strategy that my audience probably needs to know about AI automation? These are not hypothetical examples. These are real workflows you can run today. This is how you build a content engine that actually understands your business instead of guessing every time. And every answer you save back into your notebook makes the next session even more powerful. And speaking of getting your content in front of more people, here's something important. If you're building all of this and nobody's finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more visibility, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. Now, let me tell you why this update matters more than most people realize. Every AI tool before this was stateless. You open it, you chat, you close it, it forgets everything. It doesn't matter how smart the AI is. If it starts from scratch every single time, you're doing all the heavy lifting. You're the one carrying the context. You're the one remembering what you researched last Tuesday. You're the one bridging the gap between every session. This update changes that completely. The AI holds the context. You build your knowledge base once, and every conversation from that point forward is grounded in what you've already built. That's not just a better tool. That's a fundamentally different way of working with AI. And here's what that means over time. Imagine 6 months from now, you've been uploading your research, your notes, your strategies, your content. Every Gemini conversation you've had has been saved back in. At that point, you have an AI system that genuinely knows your business, knows your audience, knows what you've tried, knows the gaps. That's not a chat tool anymore. That's a real knowledge system built entirely around your work. Google is calling this notebooks inside Gemini. It's their direct answer to ChatGPT projects and Notion AI. What makes it stronger is that it's deeply integrated with the Google ecosystem and it syncs across tools automatically. You're not managing integrations. You're not setting things up manually. It just works together. Let me be completely straight with you because that's what I always do. This is not fully rolled out to everyone yet. It's still in the early stages. And now it's limited to certain paid plans. While support is still coming. So if you open Gemini today and don't see your notebooks, that's normal. It's rolling out and it will get there. Here's what matters. The direction is clear. Google is building toward one unified AI workspace where your research, your chats, your ideas, and your documents all live in one place and talk to each other. The people who understand this now and start building their notebooks today are going to have a real head start when it fully lands for everyone. Being early matters here. The people who have 3 months of notebooks built up are going to be in a completely different position than the people who start on the day it goes mainstream. It's the big insight that ties all of this together. AI used to be a place you went to ask questions. You show up, you ask something, you leave. Like a search engine, but with a personality. Every visit was independent. Every session was a clean slate. What this update is building toward is completely different. AI is a system that grows with you. Every notebook you build, every chat you save, every source you add makes the whole thing smarter and more useful for your specific work and your specific goals. That's the shift from asking AI questions to building an AI brain. And once you see it that way, the question changes. It's not what should I ask AI today? It's what should I add to my system today? A small change in thinking changes everything about how useful these tools become for you. The people who get this now are going to be way ahead of everyone still copy-pasting between tabs, wondering why AI never seems to really understand what they're doing. So here's what I want you to do right now. Go to NotebookLM, create one notebook for your most important project. Upload everything you have on it. Then open Gemini and check if the connection is live for your account yet. And if you're building all of this and nobody's finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more visibility, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. And I will see you in the next one.